In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Spectrum Internet not working. The first thing you want to do is power cycle your modem and router. Unplug both devices from the power outlet and leave them unplugged for at least 60 seconds. After that, plug the modem back in first and wait about 2 minutes until all the indicator lights become stable. Once the modem is fully online, plug the router back in and wait for it to finish restarting. Then check if your internet connection has been restored. If the issue continues, you want to reset your router to its factory settings. Locate the reset button at the back of the router, then use a paper clip or SIM eject tool to press and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. Release the button and for several minutes for the router to restart. Keep in mind that this will erase any custom Wi-Fi name and password, so you'll have to set up your network again. Finally, if nothing else works, then you simply want to contact the Spectrum customer support. You can do that using the My Spectrum app as well. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.